go again, folks. Comet ISON's breaking up. A lot of people don't want to realize that, but if you listen to this robot read this to you, you'll understand.
COMET ISON outburst continues. The abrupt brightening of COMET ISON on November 14th has pushed the comet into the range of naked eye visibility. Dark sky observers around the world report seeing it with their unaided eyes on the morning of November 15th. To the human eye, ISON is just a faint smudge of magnitude plus 5.5. Backyard telescopes are revealing much more. The effects of the outburst have propagated into the comet's suddenly right its tail, as shown in this image taken on the morning of November 15th by Damien Peach. It's hard to believe this is the same comet I photographed on November 10th, says Peach. Now that ISON has experienced an outburst, the show has really begun. The increase in brightness and emergence of multiple gaseous streamers could be caused by fresh veins of ice opening up in the comet's nucleus. Rapid vaporization of ice by solar heat is a surefire way to boost a comet's visibility. But, as NASA's Comet ISON Observing Campaign states, we have no idea. The comet's nucleus is hidden from view by a hazy green atmosphere, so events in the interior remain a mystery. I have a strong suspicion that this is Comet Linear C1999S4 all over again, says Mark Kitcher of the ESA's European Space Astronomy Center in Madrid. In the year 2000, Kitcher and other astronomers monitored Comet Linear as it disintegrated en route to the Sun.
Y'all listen to this part one more time. I'm going to play it twice for you so you get what I'm trying to tell you.
In the year 2000, Kitcher and other astronomers monitored Comet Linear as it disintegrated en route to the Sun. The sudden appearance of ISON's gas tail, the increasing faciness of its coma, and now the sudden outburst all remind me of C1999S4 just before it broke apart. To reiterate, no one knows what is happening to Comet ISON. This could be the comet's death throes or just the first of many brightening events the comet experiences as it plunges toward the Sun for a close encounter on Thanksgiving Day, November 28th. Monitoring is encouraged. Comet ISON rises in the east just before the Sun. Amateur astronomers, if you have a go-to telescope, enter these coordinates. Dates of special interest include November 17th and 18th, when the comet will pass the bright star Spica, making ISON extra easy to find.
It'll never make it around the Sun. Get it? Much love.